Artificial intelligence is no longer a future possibility for the workforce. It is already changing work in real time. The pace of AI adoption is faster than most people expected. Across industries, AI is being integrated into daily workflows and changing how work is done. AI now handles cognitive work, decision-making, and creative processes in addition to repetitive tasks. The impact is spreading across the entire economy, not confined to one sector. This shift has created a mix of excitement and uncertainty. Some people see AI as a powerful tool that increases productivity and opens new opportunities. Others see it as a threat that could displace jobs and reshape careers. The truth lies somewhere in between those extremes. One major factor is the speed of change, not just what AI can do. In past automation waves, changes unfolded over years or decades. With AI, adoption is happening in real time in many organizations. Companies often start with small efficiencies and then expand rapidly once results are proven. This creates a compounding effect across operations. The workforce is being reshaped faster than traditional systems can adapt. AI tools are being deployed immediately rather than phased in slowly. Productivity gains are compounding and leading to rapid operational changes. Workers are expected to adapt quickly, often without formal retraining. This speed is what makes the transition so challenging. A common narrative is that AI will replace jobs outright. While that happens in some cases, more often jobs are being redefined rather than eliminated. AI is taking over specific tasks within roles and changing how work is structured. Many workers are becoming supervisors of AI systems rather than direct executors of tasks. A writer may use AI to generate drafts, and a developer may use AI to assist with coding. The core roles remain, but the way they are performed is different. Tasks are being automated rather than entire jobs disappearing in many cases. Roles are shifting toward oversight and managing AI outputs. Skill requirements are evolving to emphasize adaptability and understanding of AI. This creates both opportunity and pressure for workers to evolve. As AI integrates into workflows, a new kind of worker is emerging: the AI-augmented worker. AI-augmented workers use tools to enhance productivity and capabilities. They can produce more output in less time and focus on higher-level tasks. This creates a widening gap between those who adopt AI effectively and those who do not. This dynamic is visible in software development, content creation, and data analysis. Jobs involving repetitive, predictable, or rules-based tasks are most vulnerable to automation. This includes administrative roles, data entry, basic customer support, and some types of analysis. Even highly skilled roles can be affected if parts of the work can be automated. Repetitive tasks are easiest to automate regardless of industry. Standardized workflows with clear rules are particularly vulnerable. Entry-level positions face risk as AI reduces the need for training roles. This shifts how career paths are structured, especially for new entrants to the workforce. On the other side, some individuals clearly stand to benefit from this transition. Those who can work alongside AI, understand its capabilities, and integrate it into workflows will benefit most. These individuals are not necessarily technical experts. What matters is their ability to think critically, adapt, and learn how to leverage AI effectively. In short, AI is reshaping jobs by redefining tasks, creating new roles, and rewarding adaptability. The best path forward is to embrace the change, learn new skills, and shape how AI is used responsibly.